So let's give this a try. It smells amazing. I'm sure it's spicy.
Chickpeas, small, humble, but packed with power. These little beans are loaded with plant-based protein, making them amazing for muscle strength, energy, and healthy weight management. Their natural fiber supports digestion, keeps you full longer, and helps control cravings. Chickpeas can also help stabilize blood sugar, support a healthy heart, and boost your iron levels, perfect for strong blood and steady energy. Plus, they're full of vitamins and minerals that nourish your body and fuel your day. Whether blended into hummus, added to salads, or cooked in stews, chickpeas are proof that simple foods can do big things for your health. Save this and keep choosing foods that feed your body and your blessing.
Yes, good night everyone. I'm going to show you another simple burger recipe that you can make, and it has to do with chickpeas. It was one of our health nuggets, and it's very nutritious, packed with protein, packed with fiber. So I hope you'll try this recipe. So we have 1 cup of chickpeas, just mashed it with a fork. And then we are going to add 2 cups of diced potatoes, just boiled till just tender. And our spices, we are going to have, this is a 1/4 spoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. And I'm going to add some of my seasoning. You know, I planted over the summer and there was so much peppers and onions, so I just grind them up into a seasoning. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of that to the mixture. And along with it, just 2 tablespoons of oats flour. You just grind the oats into the food processor, make it easier. And then to this mixture, we are going to add some colorful peppers, red, green, and yellow. So we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of that, just to give it some colors. And this is what it looks like, and then you're just gonna mix it. I wish you were here to enjoy this, and you could just smell the aroma of all the spices. And this is so simple. You know, we don't want to crush up all the potatoes because we want some texture. Okay, oh, this smells so good. So this is what it looks like. And now we're just gonna shape them and pan fry them. So here we are again. And this is what we do. I shape them and just pan fry them and let them, crisp on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. You could just smell that aroma. Oh, I wish the phone could transmit that smell, that aroma. You will smell it. It smells absolutely delicious. If you like Indian spice like Barbara and Ben, you will love these burgers, or anyone will love these burgers. And we're just gonna try one, and this is what we're gonna do first. And this is the finished product. You could just simple make a sandwich, make a wrap, or you could just have it just like that on a plate with some lettuce, cucumber, and sprout. So let's give this a try. It smells amazing. I'm sure it's spicy. I don't know, but let's see. It is very tasty, y'all. Very tasty. You have to try this. Well balanced. Delicious. So remember, your health is your wealth. You could leave Burger King or McDonald's burger where they are and try these. Your health is your wealth. Enjoy.